McAllen ISD's Achieve Early College High is the top-ranked high school in the Rio Grande Valley. That's according to rankings compiled and released by a child advocacy group known as Children at Risk.
It's a tremendous tool for us legislatively to be able to show that our schools in Texas are tremendously underfunded, yet we still see excellence at work.
Children at Risk looked at 5 academic and equity categories of data to assemble its lists. The findings were shared during a virtual news conference.
I think what makes us unique also is that we're a one-to-one district. All of our elementary students have iPads and our secondary students have Chromebooks, and we have since 2012. So I'm real proud of the fact that we have a one-to-one initiative that we use with fidelity, and also that we have connectivity across the city because we've worked with the city of McAllen, who's provided connection for our students. We have a great staff, hardworking student body, very supportive parents, and that's why we're an A-rated school district.
Achieve Early College High provides a path for students to earn a college associate's degree through South Texas College while they are still in high school. This is at no cost to their families. Last year, a school record 87.6% of Achieve graduates earned their associate's degree through South Texas College.